If you're a new driver or a seasoned driver, chances are you've been sitting in your car every day without realizing there are hidden switches all around you. 99% of drivers don't even realize these switches exist, yet they're right under their noses. Some are tucked neatly into your dashboard, others are hiding on the steering column, and a few are disguised near your doors and mirrors. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the car switches most drivers ignore, the ones that unlock secret features you'll wish you knew about sooner. Stick around until the end, because the last switch could actually save you from costly repairs. Let's dive in. Switch 1. Parking Sensor Switch. Often located on the center console, this switch has a P symbol with arcs around it. Parking sensors beep when you're close to obstacles, but many drivers are unaware that they can be turned on or off with this button. People miss it because they assume sensors are always automatic, but when towing, driving in snow, or stuck in heavy traffic, you may want to disable them to avoid constant alerts. It's a small switch with a big impact on comfort, and knowing where it is makes you the master of your car's tech. And while parking sensors help outside, there's another switch that keeps your wheels steady when the road beneath you starts to fight back. Switch 2. Adjustable Sun Visor. Most drivers know the basic sun visor above the windshield, but few realize it has an adjustable extension. Located on the pivot or with a sliding panel, this hidden feature lets you block sunlight from tricky side angles. It's simple but brilliant, yet most people don't notice it until years later. Many drivers miss it because automakers design it to blend seamlessly into the visor itself, without a flashy symbol or separate button. The benefits are huge. Better visibility during sunrise or sunset, reduced glare, and safer driving. Next time the sun blinds you from the side, slide or swing that visor, and you'll see why this switch is one of the most overlooked lifesavers in your car. But what if the challenge isn't blocking the sun? It's squeezing safely into tight spaces. Switch 3. Traction Control Switch. Found near the gear shifter or dash, the traction control switch is marked with a car and squiggly skid lines beneath it. It prevents wheels from slipping on wet or icy roads by reducing engine power. This one slips past drivers because they believe it should never be touched, and in most cases, they're right. But in snow, mud, or sand, turning it off gives your wheels freedom to find grip. It's one of those features that turns frustration into relief the moment you know when to use it. Switch 4. Fog Light Switch. Tucked away near the headlight control dial or on a stalk, the fog light switch is usually marked with a semicircle symbol and 3 slanting lines crossed by a wavy line. These lights cut through heavy fog, rain, or snow with a low, wide beam that hugs the road. Drivers often overlook this because fog lights aren't automatic, and many confuse them with high beams. Unlike high beams, fog lights won't blind oncoming traffic, but instead improve visibility in poor weather. If you've ever struggled to see road markings during a storm, this little switch could be the difference between a stressful drive and a confident one. And while headlights keep the path clear ahead, there's another switch that keeps order inside the cabin. Switch 5. Power Window Lock Switch. Usually located on the driver's door panel, this switch locks all other windows. Its symbol is a small window icon with a slash. Parents and rideshare drivers often rely on it to keep passengers from fiddling with the glass. Most people ignore it until kids in the back seat start playing with buttons. But here's the hidden value. It also protects the motor and mechanism from unnecessary wear. Knowing it's there means you're not just stopping mischief, you're extending the life of your windows. If you're enjoying these hidden car features so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. That way, You'll always stay one step ahead with car tips most drivers have no idea about. And trust me, the next switches coming up are even more surprising. Switch 6. Climate Control Recirculation Switch. This button shows a car with a circular arrow inside, usually near your AC controls. It recirculates the air inside your vehicle, rather than pulling in outside air. Why is it often overlooked? People mistake it for a fresh air symbol or ignore it completely. Yet, it's incredibly useful, keeping smog, smoke, or exhaust out and cooling the cabin faster on hot days. However, using it too long can fog your windows, so the trick is to use it smartly. Switch 7. Invincible Hook. Ever noticed a tiny hook near the glove box, center console, or trunk? That's the invincible hook, designed to hold shopping bags, purses, or small loads without spilling. Most people miss it because it's discreet, blending in with the plastic trim and lacking an obvious label. It's a perfect example of hidden convenience, keeping drinks upright, groceries safe, and your interior clean. Once you discover it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. But sometimes, it's not groceries you need to worry about. It's the fogged up window blocking your view behind you. Switch 8. Rear Defroster. This switch sits with your climate controls, marked by a rectangle with wavy vertical lines. It activates heating elements in the rear window to clear frost, fog, or condensation. Many mistake it for AC or ignore it until winter. But here's the kicker. It's not just for visibility. It protects the electrical grid in the glass from damage by regular clearing. Use it right, and you'll drive safer while avoiding costly window replacements. Clear vision is key, but comfort also matters. And the next feature makes sure your car feels just right in your hands. Switch 9. Steering Wheel Adjustment Switch. Located under or beside the steering column, this lever or button lets you tilt or telescope the wheel to your comfort. Drivers often miss it because they set their wheel once and never touch it again. But adjusting it correctly reduces fatigue, improves airbag positioning, and enhances control. It's a hidden comfort feature that transforms long drives into relaxed journeys. But when darkness falls and the road disappears, there's a setting that ensures you're never caught driving blind. Switch 10. Automatic Headlight Switch. Usually part of your headlight control knob, it's marked Auto. It turns lights on or off based on surrounding brightness. Many fail to notice this because they're used to flipping their lights manually and don't trust the Auto option. But this setting saves your battery, prevents tickets, and ensures you're always visible when the light fades. Yet sometimes, power and control matter more than convenience, and that's where the next button takes over. Switch 11. Overdrive Switch. Commonly found on the gear shifter, marked with OD or simply a button, this switch controls the highest gear in your transmission. Most drivers ignore it, but it's crucial for highway driving. Leaving it on improves fuel economy, while switching it off provides more engine braking and power on hills. It's one of those tools that, once mastered, gives you real control over performance and efficiency. And finally, when your car is weighed down and headlights tilt upward, there's one last dial to bring balance back to your night drive. Switch 12. Headlight Leveling Switch. This small dial, usually beside the headlight controls, lets you adjust the vertical aim of your headlights. The symbol looks like a headlamp with a numbered scale. Most drivers never touch it, but it's designed for safety. When carrying heavy loads that tilt your car, the headlights can blind oncoming traffic. Adjusting them keeps your beam where it belongs, on the road. It's one of those quiet features that make night driving safer for everyone. And there you have it. 12 hidden car switches most drivers never notice. From the visor extension to the cargo hook, these features can transform your driving experience. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and tell us in the comments which switch surprised you most. And before you go, check out our video on the most hidden car buttons drivers ignore. You'll be blown away by what you've missed.